Dear students, but already I have told that mathematics is one of the chain process. But every day, every minute, just to recall what about previous. So the type of review is very important. What about previous classes? What about starting onwards integral calculus? What about standard integration? So then next go to by one of the methods of integration. But we have discussed methods of substitution. One of the method. So in that same continuation of methods of substitution, one of the type we will discuss now integration of the type. Integration of the type. So one of the type is integral of x power m of a plus bx power n whole power p dx. So it is one of the formation. Okay, what about next we have the process good, but that is working rule right now. What about working rule? So the given problem depends on cases like one of the case we have if p belongs to n, whatever process we expand the integration, okay, by the with the help of binomial theorem and integrate. What about you have the problem? It's so example problem. We can observe it. Integral of x power 1 by 3 of 1 plus 2 plus x power 1 by 2 whole square dx. For example, you don't know that what about case 1. What about you should not get idea? What about for example, you should not substitute the any suitable substitution. What about one of the problem? It is in the form of x power m plus of a plus b x power n whole power p is there. But we'll compare what about process here p is equal to 2, but what about 2 belongs to n, natural number. What about you have the process is nothing but expand the integration with the help of binomial theorem. With the help of binomial theorem means you know very well it is in the form of a plus b whole square by using expansion of the given term. So that is 2 square is nothing but 4. Okay. What about x power 1 by 2 whole square is x. Next 4 into x power 1 by 2. What about you have the process expansion by the binomial theorem. What about you have go to by simplification 4 into x power 1 by 3 plus x power 1 into x power 1 by 3 we have x power 4 by 3. Okay, fine. X power 1 by 3 into x power 1 by 2, but take LCM, we have the LCM is 6. 2 plus 3 that is 5 of dx by using you know that integration, standard integration, that is 4 into x power 1 by 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. Okay, fine. Next, what about second term also same formation. X power 4 by 3 plus 1 is 7 by 3 by 7 by 3 plus 4 into third term also same formation, that is x power 11 by 6 plus c. Okay, one of the 4 get cancel. What about result 3 into x power 4 by 3, okay, plus 3 by 7 x power 7 by 3, plus what about next one number result 24 by 11 x power 11 by 6 plus cm. See, you can observe it, given problem should not get idea without types of integration. First you can observe it, the given problem, it is in the form of any type. One of the type is there, the type formation x power m of a plus b x power n whole power p formation is there. One of the case one, that is p belongs to n. What about you have the process? Expand the integration with the help of binomial theorem. But here only 2 belongs to natural number. Okay, but we can expand. Expand is nothing but we have the formation a plus b whole square is there. In case power 4 given, that is also by using binomial theorem. You know that according to binomial. So here only power 2 given, that a square plus b square plus 2ab. In case power 3 given, that you know that expansion a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So it is one of the going on process, only depends on power p, that is the power p. What about p is 2 natural number, it is one of the process. So that is case 1. Okay, but now we'll discuss one more case. What about one more case is nothing but so that is depends on power of p only, power of p. So you can observe that p is nothing but one of the process. If p belongs to a set of integers, negative integers, what about we have the process, right? X is equal to t power k, t power k, where k is the LCM of the denominators of m and n. Okay, but next you can observe it, what about in place of p we have negative integer given, that what about process? It's a process, you can observe it, it's related problem. Integral of x power minus 2 by 3, 1 place x power 2 by 3 whole inverse whole power minus 1 dx. Okay, but what about you have the process? So for example, every problem you can observe it, you should not have any formation in the standard integrations, but again prevail to back, the given problem belongs to which type of method. Okay, one of the method already you know that we have discussed, but discussing continuation, substitution method. In substitution again we have go to which type of the formation is there, one of the formation already we know that. Okay, fine, but here only already in place of p is equal to minus 1 belongs to set of negative integer. What about you have the process already you know that, but x is equal to t. What about k is nothing but k is the LCM of denominators m and n. M and n is nothing but 3 is the k right. Are you clear? LCM of denominators, LCM of 3 comma 3 is 3 only. Okay, fine. What about next one? What its result x dx right? 3 t square dtm. Okay, fine, dx. Okay, but next t is equal to x power 1 by 3 is there. Here x power minus 2 by 3. Whatever you have the process comes to denominator, that is 1 by t square. 1 by t square. Okay, fine. 1 by 1 plus 1 plus. What about next to x power 1 by 3 is t. But here x power 2 by 3 is there, but we will get the result of t square amma. Why? Because here power minus 1 is there, comes to denominator. Okay, fine. What about in place of dx? So 3 t square dt. 3 t square dt. Okay, fine. Complete change of the variable amma. What about next? But we have a common factor get cancellation. Then we will get the one of the standard form is there. That formation is tan inverse of t. Already we know that. What about t is nothing but cubed root of x. So that is 3 into tan inverse of x power 1 by 3 plus c. That's all. In case you don't know that what about k sign to type of the integration, what about use? You should not go to advance the problem. So, but we can observe that previous and present have the same formation, that is depends on p power pm. Previous exactly how the natural number is there. But present, but you have the in place of p is equal to negative integer is there. Negative integer, that is minus 1. What about you have the process in place of k? What about k is the LCM of denominators of m and n. What about in here only m is nothing but 2 by 3. N is also 2 by 3. What about LCM of denominators? 3 comma 3 is 3, but it is one of the process. So it is one type of the problem. Okay, fine. What about next? We'll discuss one more type of the problem, that is case 3 will consider. Okay, so it is also depends on form of the given problem. What about form of the given problem, and also that is depends on the values of m, n and p. M, n and p. One of the case 3m. If m plus 1 by n is an integer, okay, but already have the process. We put a plus b x power n is equal to t power k, where k is the denominator of the fraction p, Okay, what about process? First case 1, what about exactly? One of the natural number, that is one type of process. Okay, fine. What about case 2? So p is nothing but negative integer, is another type is their process. But present one of the formation m plus 1 by n is an integer. What about process? Total a plus bx power n is equal to t power k. What about k is nothing but denominator of the power fraction. It is like a denominator of the fraction of p only. But what about its related problem? You can observe it. Integral of x power minus 2 by 3 of 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, you can observe it present to previous two problems and present problem, but here only we can compare m is equal to minus 2 by 3, n is equal to 1 by 3, p is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, but next what about process? You can observe it p, first one should not possible. Why? Because that is first one natural number, second one negative, but here a fraction is there. Now we'll consider m plus 1 by n, right? What about m? M is nothing but minus 2 by 3 plus 1. What about n is nothing but 1 by 3. What about total result is nothing but 1. Okay, 1 belongs to an integer. 1 belongs to an integer. Okay, fine. What about we have the process? Already you know that is 1 plus, in place of a plus bx power n result 1 plus x power 1 by 3 is equal to t. What about k is nothing but k is the denominator of the fraction of p given that is t square. Okay, fine. But derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, leave it. Derivative of x power 1 by 3 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1. We will do the oral calculation. Its result is minus 2 by 3 dx is equal to, what about derivative of t square? 2t dt. Okay, fine. What about already given problem? We can observe it x power minus 2 by 3 dx. So we have required x power minus 2 by 3 dx is equal to 3 2s that is 6t dt. Okay, fine. What about integration? Given integration becomes its total result 6t dt. What about its total value is nothing but t square power 1 by 2. T square power 1 by 2 into 6t dt. Okay, 2 get cancelled. What about we have the result is nothing but 6 is the coefficient integral of t square dt. You know very well, one of the standard integration, what about t cube by 3 plus c. What about t is equal to my result 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. But here only 3 is there. So we have the result is 2 into 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So you can observe it. But first 2 and present we have the formation same only. But what about depends on only m, n and p only. So that is very very important. What about given problem having one of the type? Okay. What about case 1 so and so? Case 2 is another type is there. Case 3 one of the formation m plus 1 by n is one of the integer is there. It is one of the process. Then we will do the problem. Finally have the result we will get the one of the standard integration, then substitute their corresponding value. Without you know that cases, you should not get the one of the standard form of the integration. So that is very very important. But the type of revision like a recaption is very very important. What about analysis of the case 1, case 2, case 3? Okay, both 3 cases have the same formation. Okay, fine. But both these 3 problems are depends on one of the values like a numerical values. So m, n and p. So that type of review is very very useful to solve the problems. Next we will discuss one more case, that is case 4. Okay. Next it is the process. Case 4 also we have the same form of the problem. So that is one of the formation. If m plus 1 by n plus p. See once again, m plus 1 by n plus p formation is there. So is an integer. Is an integer. Okay. We put a plus b x power n is equal to t power k into x power n. T power n into x power n. What about k is nothing but where k is the denominator of the fraction fraction p. Okay, it is one type of problem. You can observe at first one, second one, third one, everything you will do to comparison. What about previous, what about second, what about third and present. That type of review method is very useful to what about next problem solving. So one of the problem, it's related problem, x power minus 11 of 1 place x power 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. Okay, fine, dx. Okay, check. But already you can observe it here, m is minus 11. Okay, same formation is there. Next, n is nothing but 4. What about p is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Okay, but you can observe it case 1, case 2, case 3. What about case 4? Oh, one of the process is there. Now we can observe it one of the m plus 1 by n plus p. What about its result? You can check. In place of m is minus 11 plus 1 by 4. In place of p is equal to minus 1 by 2. What about its total result? Minus 10 by 4. So minus 10 by 4 is minus 5 by 2 minus 6 by 2 is minus 3, belongs to integer. Okay, fine, integer. What about next we have the process. You can observe a total 1 plus x power 4. Okay, fine. What about t power t power? What about k is nothing but k is the denominator of the fraction. What about denominator of the fraction? Pm 2 is there. You can write down t square. What about next same term, write down x power 4. Okay, fine. What about next we have the process dividing with x power 4, but we have the result 1 by 1 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to t square. Okay, but by using differentiation, what about x power minus 4 is there? Its result minus 4 by x power 5. Derivative of constant 0, you know very well. Derivative of 1 by x power 4 result, it is minus 4 by x power 5 dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay, but one of the common factor get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Okay, fine. What about next number? 1 by x power 5 dx is equal to, what about next minus t dt by 2. Okay, but a given problem can be reduced to one of the formation. That formation is nothing but x power minus x power 4 will take common. X power minus 11 can be written as, that is 1 by x power 11. Power minus is there, comes to denominator, and also x power 4 will take common. X power 4 whole power 1 by 2 is x square. Okay, fine. 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 2. Next, what about result number? Dx, right? Okay. But next we can x power 11 can be written as, so that is integral 1 by x power 4 whole square. Okay, fine. But x power total you have the result 8 is there. What about x power 11 is there here only. Okay, next 1 by 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 2 1 by x power 5 dx. Once again I will explain that. X power 11 is there. What about its result? X power 8. X power 8 into x power 5 is nothing but so total we have the result 13. X power 13. Same as it is there. Okay. What about 1 by x power 5 dx result? Minus t dt by 2. Okay, fine. What about next you can observe 1 by x power 4 is equal to t square minus 1. T square minus 1 right down. power 2 is there, whole square. Okay, fine. What about next? What about its total result, amma? T square is there. T square power 1 by 2. Its final result is T. Okay, fine. What about 1 by 5 x power dx is nothing but minus T dt by 2. Okay, what about next? One of the common factor get cancelled. Then by using binomial theorem, what about here? Expansion is nothing but t power 4 plus minus 2t square plus 1 dt. You know, one of the standard form of integration. Enough, 1 by 2. What about result? T power 5 by 5 minus 2t cube by 3 plus t. What about here only? T is nothing but where t is equal to, see, t square is nothing but t is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 by x power 4. So it is one of the process. What about you have the observation? Again, you can review that. What about difference between these 4 cases? These 4 cases only depends on the values like a numerical values m, n and p only. Once again you can recap. What about p? First one natural number, one of the process. Second one negative integer, one of the another process. What about next one? One of the m plus 1 by n, we have the one of the integer is another type of process. Next to go to one of the m plus 1 by n plus p is have integer is there is another method. So we can recall. What about these 3-4 cases are very very useful, amma. What about the given problem should not have any idea without cases, any idea. But what about given problem having one of the formation? In that form, how many cases are there? Oh, 4 cases are there. These 4 cases are depends on one of the numerical values, that is m, n and p. Okay, these 3 values are total problem will be changes of the, okay na? Finally, we have the result by using case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. But what about known formula is there, that is standard form of the integration. Then we will get the then it's a related solution. So these problems are there. So I will say that one of the problem. So that problem complete indirect given that. What about process? Okay, these problems are have the one of the formation is there. But one more problem we can observe it. It is entirely different to previous problems. Integral of square root of x power root x whole power 5 by square root of x whole power 7 plus x power 6 dx is equal to a log of x power k by 1 plus x power k plus c. Okay, but this given problem should not have any type of the integration. What about? So we can, for example, these problems are like a twisting, like a twist means so sometimes one of the word is nothing but brain cracking problems are there. So brain cracking, these problems are only for, you can ask the advanced level problem, and mains also we can ask 5 to 10% problems will give this type of problems. Okay, what about process? So this type of problem will solve the only depends on your intelligence, your creativity, your talent only. But under practice will develop the type of intelligence under practice. What about that basic concepts are there, we'll get the ideas. What about given problem? What about its process? So we'll generate the process, that. Okay, one of the process you can observe it, okay, square root of x power 5 into square root of x whole square. Okay, fine. What about x power 6 given that? But idea, but everything you have got to square root is there, is also will prepare. That preparation is nothing but square root of x whole power 12. 12 by 2 is nothing but 6 only. So that is square root of x whole power 5 into square root of x whole power 7. That's all. Just you can think about whatever comparison. One of the root x, denominator root x, but x is there, is also will prepare root x formation. Okay, fine. What about next step? Oh, one of the common factor is there, get cancellation. What about we have the formation? So numerator 1 after cancellation. Then next go to square root of x whole square plus square root of x whole power 7. Okay, fine. But reduce the formation. Okay, fine. And also should not have the any standard formation is there. But next again you can think about what about types of integration, what about cases, and also should not get. Here only also you can apply your intelligence. The type of intelligence is one of the common factor will take common amma. What about you have the process 1 plus 1 by x power what about next to 5 by 2, right? 5 by 2. You can think about whatever process some result square root of x power 7 into 1. Okay, fine. X power 7 by 2 by x power 5 by 2 is nothing but x only. Okay. What about idea? Now we have the formation. One of the formation that is 1 plus 1 by x power 5 by 2 or x power minus 5 by 2 whole power minus 1. Okay, fine. Now we have the case 2 problem. Case 2 formation is there. X power m of 1 plus b x power n. P is there. Already you have the p is equal to minus 1 belongs to negative integer. I will say alternate method. So we have the result 1 plus x power minus 5 by 2 total treat as t, right? Enough. We'll say that alternate. Under practice we'll get the different ideas. Okay, fine. It's a total result 0. Fine. X power minus 5 by 2 derivation is nothing but minus 5 by 2 x power minus 7 by 2 dx is dt. Okay. One of the x power minus 7 by d is there. Okay, fine. What about next x power minus 7 by 2 dx is equal to minus 2 by 5 dt. 2 by 5 dt. Okay, what about given integral number result 1 t power minus 1 minus 2 by 5 dt is there. So that is minus 2 by 5. What about its total integral of 1 by d is nothing but log of t. Log of t. What about t is nothing but already you know that 1 plus. So minus 2 by 5. Or we can eliminate negative sign is there. So we have our minus 1 plus x power minus 5 by 2. Okay, fine. But next again take LCM minus 2 by 5. 1 plus x power 5 by 2 by x power 5 by 2 plus c. We can eliminate negative sign, that is according to power formula 2 by 5 log of x power 5 by 2 by 1 plus x power 5 by 2 will compare. What about a is nothing but here only a is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, fine. What about k is equal to 5 by 2. You can observe it problem. It is one of the advanced level problem. So these problems are, you should not get idea only because of your talent, because of your perfectness, because of your efficiency, because of already have the subject is there, but we'll get the idea. What about idea? One of the common factor will take common, get cancellation. Again one of the method will reduce the previous type of the integration. Then one of the process going to substitution method, then we'll get the standard form of the integration, we'll get the form of the given problem. So it is one of the process. So okay, we will discuss one more form of the problem. So that is, so we have the form of one of the integration of the form. Integration of the type integral of 1 by x power 1 by m x power 1 by n formation given that. Okay. So what about you have the result? It is one of the process. So we put x is equal to t power k where k is the denominator, LCM of m comma n, right? LCM of m comma n. One of the problem you can observe it. Integral of 1 by square root of x plus cube root of x given that. Okay. But what about formation in place of m is equal to 1 by 2 is there. Okay. But it's a process 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 3. Okay, fine. What about already you know that LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6. Okay. But you know that process, put x is equal to t power 6, right? T power 6, fine. What about dx is equal to 6, so t power 5 dt. Okay. What about next, the change of the variable 1 by t. What about x is equal to t power 6 whole power 1 by 2, that is t cube. Next to t square 6 t power 5 dt. What about next to t square is a common factor, get cancelled, but we will do the oral calculation. T cube is there. What about you have the result t plus 1 dt. So it is one of an improper fraction according to algebra. But what about process? Improper fraction can be changes to proper fraction, but we have the process. That process is nothing but by using divisible method. After dividing, then we will get the form of fraction. Okay, fractional, okay na? Proper fraction, that is. But I will say alternate method. What about alternate method? T cube plus 1 minus 1. Right? Adding and immediately subtract by t plus 1 by t plus 1. Okay, fine. What about next we have the idea? That idea will generate one of the formation a cube plus b cube formation is there. So it is one of the form t plus 1 of t square plus minus t plus 1 by t plus 1 minus 1 by t plus 1. Once again, what about formation a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. So one of the common factor get cancelled. What about next term? We have the integral of t square t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t minus log of t plus 1. That's all, enough. What about t is nothing but x power 1 by 6. But here only, what about result 2 x power 1 by 6 to 3 is there, 1 by 2. 2 3s get cancelled, x power 1 by 3 plus 6 so x power 1 by 6 minus log of x power 1 by 6 so plus 1 plus c. You can observe it formation its problem. So it is also indirect given that we can prepare the formation. Okay. But next to same problem just slightly changes. 1 by x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 given that. What about you have the result but already you know very well x plus 1 is equal to t power 6 only. In place of x is equal to x plus 1 is there. What about you have the result is nothing but same result we have the formation is important. In place of x is equal to, in place of x is equal to have 2 of result x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 minus 3 into x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 6 of x plus 1 whole power 1 by 6 minus 6 log of x plus 1 whole power 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. Why? Because already you can observe it is one of the process you have to take time. Same model problem already what about you have the observation, we can minimize the steps and also we have got to minimize the time. So that is also very important. Same model problem, so we'll do 1, 2, 3. What about idea? First problem will take time and also will get number of steps. Then same type of problem, second one we'll get the idea. Oh, we can reduce the steps or minimize the time also. Okay. Then third problem, same model problem. Oh, what about easy way? One of the easy way, simply you can check in place of x is equal to x plus 1, that's all. We will get the result of the given problem. So, this type of practice must be developed, then we will get the good rank in the entrances, then we will get the repeated, will join in repeated engineering institutions like it. Like already you know that one of the topmost engineering institutions you know very well, that is one of the IITs. Then second type of institutions you know very well, NIT institutions. Okay. So it is one of the process. Okay, next we will discuss one more type of the problem. So that is formation. You have got will discuss one of the formation, integration of the typewriter. Integration of the type. But already integration is one of the part like chapter name. What about the given problem again? Belongs to which type? Again in the type, how many cases are there? One of the problem in that type, which case is there? So that type of analysis must be developed. Okay. But you can observe one of the problem like a case 1 write up. Case 1, integral of dx by x plus a whole power m x plus b whole power n when m plus n is equal to 2. Okay. What about you have the process of then the above integration? Then the above integration becomes, so we have the process of integral of 1 by or you can write down x so a by x plus b whole power m into 1 by x plus b whole square. Now we will take x plus a by x plus b is Tm. Okay, don't worry, I will explain its related problem. See, m plus n is equal to 2 given that the given problem can be reduced to the formation. What about you have the result? It's formation x plus a whole power m. Okay, fine. In place of n is equal to what about result? 2 minus m is there. Already you know that 2 minus m is there. So its total result treat as a single variable t right now. Okay, then go to case 2 is also same formation right now. That is x plus minus a whole power m x minus b whole power n. Okay, when m plus n is equal to 2 amma. Then the above integration becomes okay. So we have the formation 1 by x minus a by x minus b whole power m into x minus b whole square dx. Now we put x minus a by x minus b is equal to t. So we'll get the one of the process. One more case is there, case 3. We have the formation like a, so that is 1 by x plus a whole power minus 1 by n of x plus b whole power minus 1 plus 1 by n. Okay na? Here only n belongs to n is greater than 1 amma. 1. But its problem can be reduced to formation. So that is x1 by x plus a by x plus b whole power 1 by n minus 1 into x plus b whole square dx. Now we have the process. We put x plus a by x plus b is t. Okay. But next you can observe that given problem having one of the formation is there. Okay. But you should not get idea, should not have any substitution method. Just you can remember the given problem having which type of. Okay, one of the type x plus a whole power m, x plus b whole power n. What about powers m plus n is 2 is there. One of the formation you can reduce either x plus a by x plus b whole power m into x plus b whole square. Its total result is nothing but same amma. Either case 2 or case 3 we have the same process. What about its related problem? You can check. What about how about 3 cases are there? What about 3 cases can be reduce a single term. Its total term treat as a substitute as a t variable. Then after differentiate we will get the one more term. Then finally we have the standard form of the integration. Then substitute their related integration. We will get the result of given problem. What about you have the given problem? We can observe that. So it's a related problem. Integral of 1 by x plus 3 whole power 15 by 16. Okay. X minus 4 whole power 17 by 16 amma. But already in place of m is equal to 15 by 16, n is equal to 17 by 16. What about condition? M plus n is 2 or not? You can check. 15 plus 17, 32. 32 by 16 is 2 is there. So already one of the formation m plus n is 15 by 16. 17 by 16 is 2 is there. Okay, fine. What about you have the process 1 by, you can check x plus 3 by x plus x minus 4 whole power either reduces to 15 by 16 or 17 by 16 as well like. So now you can reduce to the formation whole power 15 by 16 into x minus 4 whole square. Now you can check x plus 3 whole power 15 by 16. Okay, fine. But next to x minus 4 whole square power minus 15 by 16 is there. What about result amount? But we have the result is nothing but 17 is check 32. Okay, na? 32 minus 15, 17 is there. Okay, what about you have the process? X plus 3 by x minus 4 is d. What about its differentiation? U by v method formation. That is x minus 4 whole square, x minus 4 of 1 minus of x plus 3 of 1, but result dx is equal to dt. Okay, what about you have the result of plus x minus x get cancelled, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 4, only one of the required value is 1 by x minus 4, 1 by x minus 4 whole square dx is equal to minus 7 is there here only, comes right side, that is minus dt by 7. Okay, na? Few more steps we will do oral calculation. Okay, fine, already is there. Integral of 1 by t power 15 by 16 amma. What about result? Minus or dt by 7. So already you know that its integration is nothing but integral of 1 by x power n is nothing but minus 1 by 7 t power 1 minus 15 by 16 by 1 minus 15 by 16. Okay, fine. What about its total result is nothing but 16 minus 15 1 by 16 is there. It is a fraction is there, that is minus 16 by 7 of, what about t is nothing but x plus 3 by x minus 4 is there. What about denominator item? X plus 3 by x minus 4 whole power 1 by 16. It is one of the process. But same model conceptual problem, just you can minimize the step only. See, you can check x plus 3 by x minus 4 is there. What about formation? Minus 4 minus of plus write down, that is 7 minus 7. In case your plus is there, plus 4 minus 3 is 1 write down. But one of the problem you can observe it, integral of dx by x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 of x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. You can check 3 plus 5, 8. 8 by 4, 2 already is there. Okay, fine. What about next to dx by x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4, fine, into x plus 2 whole square, right? That's all. But now we can check already. What about result of its direct value? Can check its value 1 by x plus 2 whole square item. What about you have the result, see, minus 4 minus 3, okay na, minus 7 is there. Here only 2 item, 2, okay, 2 minus or minus 3, that is dt by 3 item. You can minimize the steps. It is one of the process. Why? Because what about next problem? First step we will the so many steps are there. What about second one? We can reduce the steps and minimize the time. Okay, fine. Its total result, you know that. What about you have the result 1 by t power 3 by 4 dt by 3, that's all. So 1 by 3 already, you know the t power, in place of t is nothing but again we can reduce the time. Whatever its value, x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power result 1 minus, what about result 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 minus 3 by 4 oral calculation 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 plus c. So whatever we have the result 4 by 3 of x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. Whatever you can observe both the problems you have got same concept. Whatever you have the observation, first problem will get the take time and we will get the number of steps. Same second problem you can observe it. What about comparison? What about easy way? Oh, one of the easy way is there. One of the tip is there. Oh, here only minus 4 is there. Minus of plus minus 3, minus 7 is there. See, 2. Okay, 2. Minus or minus plus 1. Yes, enough. No need of these 2 steps only. Just okay. What about next you have got to minimize. In place of t is equal to what about assume value, then direct you can substitute. What about you have got to minimize the time and also can reduce the number of steps only. Then what about third problem will do? But easy way you can find the answer only. So it is one of the process. Are you clear? But we can develop that. What about today's class? What about types of integration? What about given problem belongs to which case? So that type of review is very very important. So we'll discuss next day, but a few more models only. Okay, na? Right.